Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift the truck's bed. Remove the fuel tank and any fuel lines in the work area. Cut and remove the factory rear fuel tank crossmember from the frame. On the passenger side frame rail, the cuts will need to be made taller to allow installation of the replacement. Step 3. The frame reinforcement plate that will be installed on the inner passenger side frame rail will need to be split. Step 4. Slide the replacement crossmember into the hole on the passenger frame rail. Prior to installing the driver's side, slide a frame reinforcement plate over that end of the crossmember. Once in place, install the remaining frame reinforcement plates on the outside ends of the crossmember. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines, then lower and reinstall your truck's bed. Now, get back out on the road.